Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is under a cloud. Under a cloud, to not be trusted are popular because people think you have done something bad or wrong. So it happens that sometimes we live in a very depressed condition just because people do not trust upon you and there is wrath of people upon someone. हम इसको उर्दू में इस तरह से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि ज़ेर आताब नाराज़गी या बदगुमानी का शिकार होना या रहना. How we are going to use it in sentences? The cabinet minister left office under a cloud after a fraud scandal. So under a cloud, the cabinet minister who left office is because of the wrath of the fraud scandal who got. Our sudden death of his close friend has made him under the cloud. Means his friend is very depressed now. So this is how we are going to use under a cloud